It's May 4th, 2014. This is the Cat 4 Bunny Hop Criterium in Suitland, Maryland. It's a 40-minute race with a course I like to describe as the NASCAR of cycling. It's 4 gentle left turns and plenty of wind, which means little opportunity for breakaways and a high chance for a field sprint. The race was mostly safe, with the exception of this crash involving a junior and another rider. A third rider took a hit from someone swerving and almost landed on the spectator. Thankfully, no injuries. The last lap was tough, but I managed to move up as we got closer. I tried to stay towards the outside on every turn during this race because riders were hitting the brakes as they went through the inside. Unfortunately, as we went through the last turn, the outside wasn't such a great place to be when I got boxed in and landed 7th. Thanks for watching.